Guys, in this video, we will be learning NumPy library in Python. So we will understand what is NumPy, why we use NumPy. Then we'll see how to install NumPy library, how we can then use NumPy class in the Python, right? So first, try to understand what is NumPy. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has function for working in domain of linear algebra, right? And matrix. Okay. It is open source project and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for numerical Python. Now the question is why we use. Okay. In Python we have list, right? That serves the purpose of array, right? You know the list. So we use list like this, right? So this is the list in Python. So this list in Python is very slow to process, right? The array object in NumPy is called ndarray. So it provides a lot of supporting function that make working with ND very easy. Okay. So the other most important benefit of NumPy is it stores the array at one continuous place in memory, unlike list, right? So processes can access and manipulate them very efficiently. This is the main reason why NumPy is faster than list. This list, okay. Also, it is optimized to work with latest CPU architectures. Okay. However, NumPy is written partially in Python, but most of the parts that require fast computation are written in C or C++ language. If you want to see what is NumPy, there is a website numpy.org. This is fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. Okay, and latest release of NumPy is 1.26 version, right? You can see all the releases, all the versions. You can check out the documentation also. Okay, if you want to see how we can use NumPy, how we can install it, you can see those information easily in this website, right? This is the official website of NumPy. It is free to use. It is open source. Okay, API references, contributions. If you want to see how to install NumPy on the machine, so you can find those information also. You see there is a pip. If you use pip, you can install NumPy with pip install NumPy. Okay, on our machine, we can easily use this command on the prompt. Okay, our command prompt, and with help of pip, we can install NumPy library. Okay, now let's see how to install NumPy on a machine. This is PyCharm editor on my machine, right? I have a terminal over here. If I click over here, so the terminal would be starting here. On this terminal, if you want to see whether pip is installed or not, then you have a command to check, because with the help of pip you can install the NumPy, okay, or other library packages for your purpose. Okay, so my terminal is on now. Okay, we will try to see whether pip is installed on our machine. My command prompt says I'm in e demo python, so there is a pip hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so this command will tell us whether pip is installed on this machine, on this environment. Yes, pip 23.3 version is installed. If you want to see whether the NumPy libraries is installed on my machine or not, so you have to check list. This is the command to see whether which libraries are installed on my environment, on my machine. So you will find the list of total libraries, right? You see NumPy is installed. Okay, pandas is installed. So what I will do, I will uninstall it first and then I will install it. But before that, if your machine does not have the pip, okay, then you have to install. To install pip, you have to go to this website, right? And you will find the installation steps here. Okay, if your system does not have pip installed, so you can go and you can follow the step and pip will be installed. Then you will be able to install NumPy library on your machine. Okay. However, NumPy is installed on my machine. If you see, it is there. So first I will remove it. Why? Okay. It is saying you want to remove. I will say yes. Yes. So it will remove 1.26.1 version. If you see pip list, we will check our library on the system. So it will not show you NumPy. Okay. You see it is removed now. Let me install it again. Always it will download the latest version, right? if you do not specify any version here. Okay, so I am just press entering without the version, so it will get the latest, okay, of this version. You see, NumPy is getting downloaded. Previously it was 1.23. It is collecting the package from the source. Okay, from where it is collecting? So it is collecting the packages from py.org. Okay, so this is a source of packages. If you find any of the library, you can search, let's say NumPy. So it will show you the NumPy version. You see 1.26.2 version that is installed on our machine now. It took from here. Okay, the NumPy is installed on my machine. If you check again the list, you see NumPy is now visible. Okay, 1.26.2. This is the latest version. Let me close it down. Now other step, using NumPy library. Okay, we have installed the NumPy library on the machine. We have to now use it. Let me remove it. So we have to first import NumPy. You can see the package, and we will be creating a simple array. In order to create array, we have to just say a1 equals to NumPy, that is our library dot array. We have to say, you see, numpy.core.multi-array, right? So I am saying this would be my array. These are items of my array, and we can print it easily. Even if you run the program, so you will see the array is printed right here. Okay, if you want to create an alias of the library, so you can make it easily. Let's say as n, I want to put, so instead of numpy you just say n, say alias, and you can still use all the functions from this library. Okay, the output is same. If you want to check out the version of the numpy, you can check it from here also, right? From the Python code. Let me take print, and you say n dot version would be there, I believe so. Version, yeah, version we have. Okay, so you can get the version name also, which version of NumPy we are currently working with. Okay, 1.26.2. This is very basic point of starting with NumPy library. Okay, so we have seen NumPy library. What we have seen, what is NumPy, why to use NumPy, how we can install NumPy on the machine, and how we can create a simple array with the help of NumPy library in the Python. Okay. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.